All right, good day. My name is Abu Sunday. In this class, I'll be showing you how you can create shapefile using Qgis. Right? As we all know that Qgis is an open source software, right? So we'll be creating shapefile using this Qgis software. So the requirement is that you need to know the the geometry that you want to create. Is it point? Is it polygon or line? Right? So having known that, you go to your layer, then click on create, and then you see new shapefile layer, right? Now you see we have the geometry type here, point, line, and polygon. So depend on the one that you want to create. So at this lecture class, we'll be creating polygon, right? So you select your polygon, and then after that, on your file encoding, just leave it as system, and then select CROS. You need to select our coordinate reference system. I will select UTM now 32, and then the new field. Under the new field, that this is where you add your attribute information. For example, polygon. What are the attribute information? Let's assume you are digitizing a boundary, maybe a boundary of land, a boundary of something. So you need to add name, right? The name, maybe the name of the owner of that particular land, or the name of the owner, or the local governments, or depend on the information that you want to add, right? So based on that, let's say I want name, right? Name. Then now under the type, we'll be using text data because it's a name. So it's going to be alphabet, right? So we'll be using text. So you select text. And then the length. The length, what it means is that the length of the name that you are going to put. So you have to specify the length, the coverage of the length, right? It's the number of the alphabet that you are going to use. So if you put small, like maybe a lesser number, you discover that if anybody that have a very long name, it will not be able to enter, right? So in that case, we can use 100, right? But depend on the information you want to add. So if your information is big, you need to increase it, right? So after that, and then after that, you click on add add to field list, right? Then let's assume you need another information like location, right? Location will also be text, and we can still leave the length as 100. So I'll click on add to list. Then let's assume we need area, right? Area of your polygon. So now in this case, the area should be decimal, right? Because possibly you'll be having maybe 20 points, so maybe square meter, depending on the area, right? So based on the fact you're having a number of decimal places, so we need to use decimal number. So this is the length. Let's assume we leave the length as 20, and then the precision. Let's say we put 2. You understand? Depending on the precision you want, depending on level of the precision. So let's say we're having, let's say 20.02, 20.03, you understand, or 20.20, right? So that is to say 2 decimal places. That is the essence of this precision. Then I'll add it to the list, right? So this is how you add information to the attribute table, right? So after that, now you click OK. Now if you click OK, now the software automatically take you to where you will save this shapefile that you are creating, the folder you save it, right? So I'll go to my desktop, right? And then on my desktop, I'll have a folder called training, right? So inside this folder called training, I can put it now like plot, right? So that is what I want to design. I want to design the plot. So the layer name now is plot. So I click save. So you see, so I click save now to now save. So you see that you're having our layer here. You understand? So you have successfully created a shapefile. So if you want to create a point, you do the same thing. If you want to create a line, you do the same thing. And just if you create it now, you just click on on the layer and click on start edit, and then you click on add feature, right? And see you can start digitize. So you see, so this is how you create a shapefile using QGIS. Thank you and God bless you. Please, if this video help you solve some issues, please like and subscribe to our channel. God bless you.